Hi, welcome to Sobitech. In this video, we are going to show you how to fit the Changhong M3000 projector's image on your screen when the projection image is bigger than the screen. As you are seeing here, our projection image is over the screen. What we can do is using the Keystone Adjustment of the projector to reduce the size of the image and fit it on the screen. From the settings menu at the home screen or simply long press the menu key on the remote, you can bring up the full system setting menu. Select Display. Make sure the correction is set to handle, which means manual adjustment, then select either 4-point correction or 8-point correction. As we are using a projector screen which is perfectly flat in this demo, we will use 4-point correction to speed up the adjustment. If your screen is not flat, you may find the 8-point correction gives you a more precise control. Here is the Keystone Adjustment screen. You can see the current border of the projection image clearly from here. Start from the top left corner. Press Confirm key on the remote to activate the adjustment on this particular corner. Press up or down key on your remote to drag the corner vertically to the position you want, and press the left or right key on the remote to drag the corner horizontally. The Keystone Adjustment allows you to reduce the size of the projection image for up to 30%. When you've finished with the first corner, just move on to the rest 3 corners if necessary to complete the adjustment. The Keystone Adjustment function is very handy when you have a screen to fit, or you are projecting with an angle. Some other projectors also offers a so-called digital zoom function, which is basically another form of Keystone Adjustment. What does those digital zoom functions do is adjusting 4 corners of the screen with the same value at the same time. We'd always recommend you to adjust each corner individually, other than adjusting them in one go, for the maximum flexibility and image perfection. We hope you find this video helpful. Please be free to contact